Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the everyday? Today, we're taking a journey into a world unseen, a microscopic realm where the mundane transforms into the marvelous. We're going to dive deep under the microscope to explore the hidden world of fabric threads. Imagine a simple piece of cloth. It might be your favorite shirt, a cozy blanket, or even the curtains in your room. To the naked eye, it appears smooth, maybe a little textured, but nothing extraordinary. But what happens when we zoom in? When we bring the power of the microscope to bear, suddenly the threads come alive. What once seemed static now reveals a dynamic, intricate maze. Each thread, once a single solid line, is now a complex structure in itself. Tiny fibers twist and turn, creating a world of their own. It's like discovering a whole new planet within something we use every day. And it's not just about the structure. There's movement, a constant dance happening at the micro level. The fibers shift, they flex, they interact with each other in ways we can't perceive without the aid of our microscopic eye. It's a hidden ballet, a silent symphony of motion that's always playing right under our noses. This movement isn't random. It's influenced by a variety of factors. The type of fabric, the way it's woven, the environment around it. Humidity, temperature, even the slightest breeze can set off a chain reaction of micro movements, adding another layer of complexity to this already fascinating world. So, the next time you reach for your clothes or touch a piece of fabric, remember the hidden maze, the unexpected micro movements, the vibrant world, teeming with life right there, waiting to be discovered. It's a reminder that beauty and wonder can be found in the most unexpected places, if only we take the time to look.